Hello everybody and welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in or watching or whatever you want to call it. Today I'm jumping right into it. I'm using the Tribe by Juvia's Place, the Festivals by Juvia's Place, and the James Charles palette for my eye base. I use the eye primer by Mary Kay and the white eyeshadow base by NYX NYX. Forgive me in advance if you hear like background noise, because I'm really just want to push through this to get this done, because I'm like, this is about any means necessary. Like I really want to get better with my consistency and everything like that. And speaking of which, I need to go out and get some more storage, but I really want to put out content because consistency really is key. I want to start being more active on my other social media platforms, more so Instagram. And so I'm trying to get my life together. But anyway, I already put the eyeshadow on, the yellow eyeshadow from the James Charles palette on my eyes. Let me see, because I'm looking at it right now. I'm going to see if I can hurry up and see what it's called. I think it's called B. Yeah, it's called B. I put that on the inner portion of my eyes. Now I'm going in with the yellowish orange color from his palette called, what is this called? 518. Yeah, going in with that. I didn't really do like a vibrant mango look. I did more so of a subtle mango look because I didn't put down a lot of my NYX eyeshadow base, that white base that I use before anything, so you can really see the colors pop. I don't know, I've just been into a little bit more subtle looks, even with my eyelashes and mascara and stuff like that. Like I haven't been putting on falsies, even though I just purchased some. But yeah, I did a very subtle mango summery vibe. Now this is probably the most vibrant color that I put on my eyes, and that's from the Festival by Juvia's Place. I don't know how to say that name, so I'm not even going to try. It is spelled Ofala. No, you know what? Maybe I will try Ofala. I'm in an educational mood today. Gotta learn something. Learn how to say something. Yeah. I put that on the outer portion. Just, bing, bang, boom. Put it on there. If you like what you see so far, even though like all you see right now is my forehead and my head rag with lemons, like, comment, subscribe, talk to me. Keep up with me because I will be posting. Tell me if you like my looks or not. Hit the bell notification. Look at some of my other videos. I'm trying to remember, be consistent, get that in there, say it early. Oh yeah, that me looking around, that was just me looking at a fly because it was irritating the daylights out of me. It didn't get in the shot or anything, but I paused my camera over and over again when I was recording it, and I eliminated the problem. Now I'm going in with my safety net color, as I always call it. Oh no, it's still flying around, never mind. But it did eventually meet Jesus. Now I'm going in with my safety net color. The two browns from the James Charles palette. Let me see what they call. Code James and 15. Is it 15 or 10? 10% off. I really wish I could do makeup this quick. I mean, I probably could if I really put my mind to it. But I wish it came out like flawless. I swear, every time I look at my makeup, when I look back and do these videos, well, when I first put it on, I never like it. Then I look back and I be like, oh, this isn't too bad. Oh, now I'm using my foundation and concealer and my primer. Primer is the Milk Primer. I have the trial size. I like it. Foundation is by Uma Beauty. I have the color T3W, which is hard as I don't know what to see on this packaging because the writing is in yellow. They need to put it in black. And then for concealer, I have T3. I already put everything on. Tried to speed up that process so this video wasn't for forever. Now I should be going in afterwards with what? Let me see. What am I doing? Oh, I didn't even put my concealer on yet. Excuse me. Like I know what I'm talking about and doing. know I showed my robe in here. What kind of editing am I doing? Oh well, it's in there now. Real life, that's what I be doing. My grandma robe and my grandma scarf. Doing my makeup to come out looking like a foxy mama. Doing my usual highlight. Different places. You know, you see this all the time. All the time, I swear you do. Different beauty gurus do this all the time. Even though I don't consider myself a beauty guru. I know, it sounds ridiculous since right now all I have up there are beauty videos. I tell you, I still never feel like I know what I'm doing. Maybe after I do this for a year, then I'll be like, you know what? I know a little something. A little something. And then I'll go back to saying I don't know nothing the second I make a makeup look that look a hot mess. Now I'm going in with my Fenty matchstick in the color Truffle. I was thinking about getting another one or getting the Uma stick. Because she has like a stick like this, and then on the other side it has a highlight. I mean, I'm still going to get the Fenty, but I think I want to get the Uma one too. I have that on my makeup wish list, which is a video that I would love to post. But I'm still trying to figure out exactly how I want to put it together. Doing my little contour. Doing it on my face, you know, my forehead, since I do have a big forehead. On my jaw. On my nose. Not too bad. I really do like this foundation and concealer too. It's really, really beautiful. I wonder if you like hold on to me like trying to shout to drown out the background noise. But it really is beautiful. Now I'm going in with the Fenty, what is this? Bronzer and Cocoa Naughty. I love that bronzer too. That's another thing I probably will show you guys, my vanity tour. Or you know, my little beauty corner, that's what I call it. I put a picture up on Instagram to show like inside of my drawer. Matter of fact, go follow me on Instagram. It's Janine McNair. I think it might be Janine _McNair. Going in with my Beauty Bakery setting powder in the color yellow. I love the size of this. This is perfect. That's another thing I was sitting and thinking about. See, I'm just going to be making videos. I have all these ideas. I want to make a travel makeup video. You know, what you put in your little travel beauty case, because I finally got one. Even though I don't go nowhere, it's just nice to have, and I don't want nothing that's like too humongous. Yeah, so I'll probably be putting that up there, posting that soon too. Well, I can't say soon because my soon and like reality soon are two separate things. So just bear with me. I will still be posting videos. Put my flour powder everywhere. Beauty Bakery. You know, all the same places that I highlighted. Now I'm going in with the Tribe by Juvia's Place. And I'm going in with the green color. Even though, oh, I hope ain't nobody see no bra or nothing. Oh my goodness. Getting X-rated. But I went in with the green color called Tootsie. Then I did my eyes. I used the, I believe it's called Black Opal. It's technically is a lip pencil, but I use it for my eyes. It's in brown. I did my lips with the Laneige, sleeping mask. At first I didn't like this mask, but then I do like it. But I like it as an actual lip balm versus like something I sleep in. Yes, I still will sleep in it, but I don't know. I like using it all day versus just like to sleep with. Going in with my ColourPop Appy lipstick. I use my liner in BFF3. As for lashes, I use the L'Oreal lash primer. Voluminous, yeah, lash primer. Then for my actual mascara, let me see if I can find it. I pulled it out. I use this Smashbox Super Fanned Out Mascara. Highlight, I just showed it. It's the Chasing the Sun by Desi and Katie. My one and only blush palette, which I want to get more. I'm not really a big blush fan. So I don't want like too many, and I don't really want individuals. I like palettes for whatever reason. I might get one individual for like travel reasons, but yeah, not really too many. Oh, there's something else I need to write in my little book. Yeah, if you hear that dog, I hope you don't, but if you do, it's because it's outside barking and it's very far away. But obviously you still hear it. That, you know, that's how dogs work. They bark far away. Sorry about my simple conversation. I hope this does not discourage you to like, comment, and subscribe though. I mean, we're coming close to the end of this video. Thank you so much for even watching it this far along. Just doing my highlight. I don't want too much. Just something nice and simple. Kind of, sort of, you know, depending on your definition. In the typical areas, of course. My nose, my forehead, my lips, my cheek, or cheekbones. Tried a little something different with putting it right there. I don't know what that'll do, but I put it there to see what will happen. Maybe I'll start a trend. Who knows? Or I'll just look foolish. Then I do some little posing and whatnot to figure out which thumbnail I wanted to create. Call myself looking cute. As you see, I did eventually pick a picture and, you know, put it up here for my thumbnail. And then I was sitting and thinking about, oh, you know what I should show you guys? I should show you this Yele skincare that I'm starting to use. I literally just started like 1 or 2 days ago. And I can't really do a review on it yet. But when it's like halfway or finished, I really do want to do a review. Because I went to like this business thing. It was really nice. Picked up a bunch of stuff. Shouldn't have been shopping, but I did. And it's by Yandy Smith. And I'm like, you know what? I want to support. I want to give it a try. And it can be something I can talk about on my YouTube page. So if you're looking to see that and to continue watching more makeup videos. Yeah, that was me showing off the consistency and stuff. You know, just subscribe down below, click the bell notification, like, and comment. I'll see you next time, you guys.